And how was it? Was it easy? Was it tough? Were there days that you wanted to slip and say, okay, I'll eat that cake?
Easy at all, let me tell you that. And for me, I'm the kind of person who hates the gym. I'm allergic to the gym. I want to run away from it rather than do it. Once I put my mind to something, I'll go all out and achieve it. And I guess I did. When I decided I want to do it, I took a step towards that and tried to achieve my goals rather than being pressurized from outside, from people telling me that, look at her, she's so fat, she's so this, she's so that. Until it didn't come from within, I didn't want to do it.
In fact, would you like to tell us what it was like growing up, slightly overweight teenager? What did it do?
Slightly, not very.
Okay, I was being polite. Did it do something to your confidence?
Actually, I think I was overconfident growing up because I don't know. I think when you look a certain way, you try and overcompensate by something else. So probably I was being. I was always a strong child and I was always and looks never mattered to me. They were not that important to me. I had a lot of other things going on. I used to play sports. I used to like going to school. I used to love college. I used to play sports there as well.
So self-esteem wasn't a problem?
Self-esteem wasn't a problem at all. And I'm one of the few lucky ones because I've had friends who had self-esteem problems. Even though they were not fat or even being slightly overweight, they would really put themselves down. So I just hope, wish and pray that people don't have to face that ever in their lives.
But is there any change you'd say that came with this fitter, healthier Sonakshi?
Like I said, I've always been a healthy person, but while I was overweight, obviously I found it very difficult to, my stamina was really bad, like even though I was playing sports and all, I would play for a while and then sit and, half and pump. So that's when I decided, earlier when I had lost weight, that, I need to do something about it. I lost 30 kilos, and then I started acting. And then I got lazy about it. I used to come back from shooting and I used to be like, "Arey, aaj pura kaam kar liya, thak gaya, gym nahi jayega."
Feel sorry for yourself.
And I'm like, I'm working so hard, I can't go to the gym now anymore. And I used to be very lazy about it. And I think I changed that again about myself. You make a decision and you stand by it. Today, no matter how tired I am when I come back from work, I have a treadmill at home. I get on it. For at least half an hour, 40 minutes, I walk or I run. And just that small decision of making up your mind has really changed. And you all are seeing the results. I mean, I would have never thought I would be on the cover of Women's Health until about a few months back. And I would have never thought that you all would be using adjectives like slim and slender and, svelte for me a few months back. So things have really changed because of that one small decision.